Hi, welcome back. This is my 20th video regarding the Kerala PSC Assistant Professor in Commerce examination. Then today I would like to discuss about technical analysis. This is another approach for predicting the future share prices. In the previous video I discussed about random walk hypothesis or random walk theory or efficient market hypothesis, as well as fundamental analysis or fundamental approach. So after that, there is another approach for finding out the future price movement, is that technical analysis. So price of securities in the market fluctuate daily on account of continuous buying and selling. Stock price move trends and cycles and never stable. An investor in the stock market is interested in buying securities at lower prices and selling them at high prices so as to get good return on investment. That is, the price of the securities in the financial market or securities market may fluctuate day by day or minute by minute according to the demand and supply of that particular security in the market. So this movements depends upon certain trends and cycles as per technical analysis. So if an investor wants to purchase or sell the security, he needs to observe the movement of share prices in the securities market through the electronic and communication media. An investor in the stock market is interested in buying the securities when the price of the security is low, and he wants to sell the securities when the price of the security is more, so as to get good return on his investment. Here, therefore, tries to analyze the movement of share prices in the market. For this purpose, one can use technical analysis. So the reason behind the origin of technical analysis is that if an investor wants to purchase or sell the securities in the securities market, he needs to observe the previous prices of that securities, and he will take the decision whether to purchase or sell the securities. Generally, if an investor wants to purchase the security, if its price in the market is less, and he sells the security if the price of the securities in the market is high. So what about the meaning of technical analysis? Technical analysis is the name given to forecasting technique that utilizes historical share price data. Technical analysis is the forecasting of future financial price movements based on an examination of past price movements. That is, the meaning is that technical analysis is the forecasting of future price movements based on the past price movements. That is, ഭാവിയിൽ ഉണ്ടാകാൻ പോകുന്ന സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസ് ഫോക്കാസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനൊരു ടെക്നിക്കാണ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസ്. ഹൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ടു ബി ഫോക്കാസ്റ്റഡ് ബൈ എക്സാമിനിങ് ദ പാസ്റ്റ് ബിഹേവിയർ ഓഫ് പ്രൈസസ്. So technical analysis uses various charts, diagrams and patterns and also some of the important theories to make a prediction about the future price of the securities. The price charts, then at the same time mathematical averages like stochastic oscillators, moving average, divergence and convergence. Then these are some of the mathematical and graphical methods, and also the technical analysis make use of Dow theory, then at the same time random Elliott wave theory to make prediction about the future security prices. So these are some of the tools used by the technical analyst to forecast a future price behavior, like Dow theory, then Elliott wave theory, chart patterns, width of the market, breadth of the market, stochastic oscillators, moving averages, exponential moving averages, etc. are the methods used by the technical analyst to make a prediction about the future price behavior of the securities. The reason behind technical analysis is that share price behavior repeat itself over time, and analyst attempts to derive methods to predict this repetition. That is, one of the main slogan of technical analysis is that history repeat itself. That is, history repeat itself. So this is the main reason behind the technical analysis, that the share price behavior repeat itself over time, and analyst attempts to derive the methods to predict this repetition. That is, technical analyst assume ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഫ്യൂച്ചറിൽ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസ് ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് പാസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് ബിഹേവിയർ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റിനനുസരിച്ചാണ്. പാസ്റ്റ് എങ്ങനെയാണോ ആ സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റിലുണ്ടായത് അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഫ്യൂച്ചറിലും റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യും എന്നുള്ളൊരു അസംഷനിലാണ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനലിസ്റ്റ് സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസ് ഫോർകാസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That is, history repeat itself. The basic premise of technical analysis is that price move in trend or waves which may be either upward or downward, and also one of the assumption of technical analysis is that the price of the securities may move like a waves, whether it may be upward or downward. It is believed that the present trends are influenced by the past trends, and that the projection of future trend is possible by analysis of past price trends. Once again, the technical analysts believe that the present trends are influenced by the past trends. ഇപ്പോഴുള്ള സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന ട്രെൻഡ് ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇതിനു മുമ്പേ സെയിം സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന ട്രെൻഡിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ്, പാസ്റ്റ് ട്രെൻഡിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ദ പ്രൊജക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ട്രെൻഡിന് ഭാവിയിൽ വരാൻ പോകുന്ന ആ സെയിം സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിന് ഭാവിയിൽ വരാൻ പോകുന്ന പ്രൈസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈസ് പോസിബിൾ ബൈ ദ അനാലിസിസ് ഓഫ് ദ പാസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈസ് ട്രെൻഡ്സ്. അപ്പോൾ മുമ്പേയുള്ള ആ സെയിം സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസിൻ്റെ പ്രൈസ് ട്രെൻഡ് എങ്ങനെയാണോ, ആ പാറ്റേൺസ് എങ്ങനെയാണോ, ആ വേവ്സ് എങ്ങനെയാണോ, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇനി ഫ്യൂച്ചറിലും സംഭവിക്കും എന്നുള്ള ഒരു അസംഷനിലാണ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനലിസ്റ്റ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ഇതാണ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസ് പ്രകാരം പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഇൻ ഷോർട്ട്, technical analysis is the name given to forecasting technique that utilizes historical share price data, or in other words, technical analysis is the study of historical market data by using chart patterns, indicators, etc. And the meaning itself, technical analysis is the forecasting of future financial price movements based on an examination of past price movements. Listen. Next, I would like to talk about the limitations of technical analysis. Technical analysis is not an accurate method of analyzing the future security prices. Why so? Because there is an assumption under technical analysis is that history repeat itself, but in practical sense this assumption does not exactly repeat itself, does not exactly hold good, and so the assumptions of technical analysis itself is not an accurate one. Then next is that it is often difficult to identify the patterns underlying stock price movements. Under technical analysis, it is very difficult for an investor to make patterns about the price movements of the underlying stocks. That is, by observing the past trend of the securities, it is very tedious and difficult task for an investor to make prediction about the future price trends. The next limitation is that it is very difficult to interpret the meaning of patterns and their likely impact on future price movements. At the same time, it is very difficult to identify the patterns. At the same time, it is very difficult to interpret the meaning of that patterns and their likely impact on future price movements. So these are the important limitation of technical analysis. Then next, I would like to make a talk about technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. In my previous classes, one can know what is technical analysis and one can know what is fundamental analysis. So can you differentiate between these two, technical analysis and fundamental analysis? It is very simple. That is, the following are the distinction between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. First point is that under fundamental analysis, A fundamental analysis tries to estimate the intrinsic value of a security. That is the output that we are going to derived from the fundamental analysis or by conducting the economy, industry and company analysis is the intrinsic value of the securities. Whereas in the case of technical analysis, it tries to analyze the historical prices of shares to predict the future price. Under fundamental analysis, an investor takes decision either to purchase the securities or to sell the securities when it is compared with the current market price with the intrinsic value. Whereas in the case of technical analysis, the investor wants to purchase or sell the securities. It mainly depends upon the past price behavior of the securities. The next is that under fundamental analysis, it evaluates the fundamental factors affecting the economy, industry, company, and so it is a tedious process. That is fundamental analysis. Here the investor evaluate the factors, fundamental factors affecting the economy, and what are the fundamental factors affecting the industry, and what are the fundamental factors affecting the company in order to calculate the intrinsic value. So it consumes more time and energy at the same time. It is a tedious process also. Whereas in the case of technical analysis, here price and volume in the market are studied by examining the patterns of movements, and so it is a simple process. Why technical analysis is a simple process? Because here the investor take decision according to the price and volume in the market, past price and volume in the market. So it is very simple. The next under fundamental analysis, it consumes more time and energy, as I said earlier, and under technical analysis it uses only less time and energy. The next, it helps in identifying undervalued or overvalued securities. That is, through fundamental analysis, one can know whether the securities are undervalued or overvalued. So, what are the securities are undervalued securities, and what are the securities are overvalued securities by conducting EIC framework of analysis. But under technical analysis, it helps in identifying the best timing of an investment. An investor wants to know the investor gets the best timing of an investment under technical analysis. The next difference is that fundamental analysts are of the opinion that supply and demand for stock depends upon various factors affecting the economy, industry and company. That is, fundamental analysts are of the opinion that the supply and demand of a securities greatly depends upon the factors affecting the economy, industry and company. If there is any change in the economic factors, if there is any change in the industrial factors, if there is any changes in the company factors, that may ultimately affect the future price of the securities under fundamental approach. But under technical analysis, technical analysts opine that they can forecast supply and demand by studying the prices and volume of trading. That is, one can take decision only by studying the price and volume of trading under technical analysis. So these are the important distinction between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So I hope you all are clear with my explanation. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്. ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസ്, അതിൻ്റെ ലിമിറ്റേഷൻസ്, ദെൻ ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസും ഫണ്ടമെൻ്റൽ അനാലിസിസും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ്, ദെൻ ഈ ടെക്നിക്കൽ അനാലിസിസിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പിലെ ഇതിന് തൊട്ട് മുമ്പേയുള്ള വീഡിയോ ഫണ്ടമെൻ്റൽ അനാലിസിസ് ആൻഡ് അതുപോലെ എഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റ് ഹൈപ്പോത്തസിസും കൂടി പ്ലേ ചെയ്ത് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയതിന് ശേഷം മാത്രമേ ഇത് കേൾക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. എന്നാലേ ഒരു കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ് സ്റ്റഡി നമുക്ക് നടത്താൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. സോ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ഇതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മുമ്പേയുള്ള രണ്ട് വീഡിയോ ഫണ്ടമെൻ്റൽ അനാലിസിസ് ആൻഡ് എഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റ് ഹൈപ്പോത്തസിസിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഞാനിവിടെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങളത് പ്ലേ ചെയ്ത് കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം ഇതും കൂടി നോക്കുക. അപ്പം സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസ് മാർക്കറ്റിലെ പ്രൈസിൻ്റെ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഏകദേശം മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റും. സോ വെരി സിമ്പിളായിട്ട് പറയാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് യു ആൾ ആർ ക്ലിയർ വിത്ത് മൈ സിമ്പിൾ explanation. Hope you are enjoying my video. Do support for me. Thank you.